Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? Last 1 month chart is on the screen. As you can see, remember the 17.37% profit. That's one of the unique cryptocurrency. Remember, you can see in the crypto market. Today will give you a profit in all months. Remember, that all currencies will fail down, especially Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, XRP, Cardano. Every coin will fail down in all month. Remember, but you can see, remember, this time Pancakeswap just in only the start of month moving upward, but again in the mid they fails down, but again they will moving in upward direction. So therefore, my brother, you can see every coin will fails down in the start of month, but therefore, my brother, you can see, my brother, I like Pancakeswap. Today will, my friends, give you a profit. Absolutely they will give you a very small profit, but absolutely they will give you a profit. So if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so I think Pancakeswap one of the unique and very good coin, my brothers, to invest now. Let's see, my brother, if we check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, so it's going to be very good now, and I'm so happy, my brother, for Pancakeswap. You can see here today will moving in upward direction. And please, my brother, what's my prediction, what's my opinion, everything I will discuss you. But please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates video. So in last 7 days, you can see here plus 9.07% profit, and definitely, my friend, you can see here the price 15.26 USD dollar. Absolutely the price will be increasing. And Pancakeswap, as you can see, my brother, the chart is completely showing, my brothers, so they will move in upward direction. So the arrows is moving in upward direction. That's clear, my brothers, to upcoming time there is 100% chance, so they will give you a profit. So let's see, my brother, in 24 hour, in upcoming 24 hour, I know, my brothers, so they will make you a millionaire now, but just in only a few hold. So please be take a risk and absolutely get a good profit. See you next time, Pancakeswap holder. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.